Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put calcium hardness in your pool. First, you need to test your pool water to find its current calcium hardness level. This is a crucial step to ensure you add the correct amount. The ideal range for calcium hardness is typically between 200 and 400 parts per million. If your levels are too low, it can lead to corrosive water, potentially damaging your pool's plaster, grout, and equipment over time. Once you know your current calcium hardness, use a reliable pool calculator or chart to figure out how much calcium chloride you need to raise the level. It's important to measure this amount precisely, often with a scale, to avoid overtreating. Next, prepare the calcium chloride by dissolving it in a large bucket of water. Always add the chemical to water, not the other way around, to prevent a dangerous reaction. With the calcium chloride fully dissolved, slowly pour the solution around the perimeter of your pool. Make sure your pool pump is running during this process. This helps circulate the water and distribute the calcium evenly throughout the entire pool. Be careful not to pour the solution directly into skimmers or over any pool equipment, as this could cause localized high concentrations and potential damage. After adding the calcium, allow at least 4 to 8 hours for it to fully dissolve and circulate before retesting your pool water. This waiting period is crucial for an accurate reading. If the levels are still not within the ideal range, you can repeat the process, adding smaller amounts until you achieve the perfect balance. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.